Hello, I'm here to present our project about our marketplace. But this isn't just any marketplace. This is an online marketplace where you can shop from the comfort of your home. Something that is incredibly useful, especially during these times. So this presentation is by Yoda Getahun, Della Sihi, Louis Lee, Melanie Wang, and myself, Donald Groh. So we set out to build a product that where people can buy, sell, and enjoy all things retail. Customers can get on this platform and build, purchase, check out whatever they want to buy, and then our partner retailers can list all of their products. So business model is quite simple. Focus on buyers, sellers, logistics, and analytics. Analytics is our focus. Since we're on an online platform, tech-enabled, we want to make sure that we provide our users with the best experience, and that means that we need to optimize our platform to handle exactly what they want and to make the process as seamless as possible. Here's some customer testimonials that you could see our customers are incredibly satisfied, and this is a product seller testimonial. We built here an completely optimized platform from the ground up. From the data management perspective, it's fully optimized, as well as from the user interface. Our UI developers work tirelessly to develop this platform, and our customers are incredibly pleased with it. I'm going to go and do a quick run through of this product and through the operations of our website. So we'll go over here and check out our mini Amazon. As you can see, there are a few different ways to check out, look for products. You can search by product category. You can sort by different methods, or you can even search for a product by name. So for example, we'll go with the AW bellies, and we have some shoes here. And if you're interested in looking at the shoes, you can even select them and look at the nice description. But let's go back, and let's say you want to go and add it to your cart. Well, unfortunately, we're logged in, so we'll have to go and log in right now. Let's go and log in to the website. Let's say you don't have an account. Let's register a little bit, really quick. Let's go. And Duke Road. And let's register as a buyer. So as you see, registration is successful, so we can start browsing. So now we'll go back and we can select any product and add it to the cart. And as you see, you get a notification every time product is added. So we'll go back to the cart and you'll see that here are the products. Now let's say you log out and you want to log back in to view your cart. My username is Don. Password 123. Let's get that password incorrect really quick just to show you how it handles it. User does not exist, and you'll have to click to register that particular user. But if you get it correct, you have the ability to log in and you can start shopping, or you can just view your cart. And as you hear, we entered the cart that we were at before. We'll log out and we'll return to the presentation where we left off. So beyond the design, we decided to focus on making a truly beautiful database. We optimized the database using a database management system, MySQL, and we prefer this relational database because the scalability that it offered. In addition to that, it had a really good data validation enforcement, which was important for making sure that all of our queries were done correctly and none of the data was messed up in the process of users putting incorrect information or anything like that. In addition to that, currently you're using a data set with over 40,000 products. This was taken from the Kaggle products from Flipkart, and then we optimize this data set using through Excel, modifying it as necessary. I'll go over that in a second. Here are schema for the product for the database structures, and here we go. Here's a quick walkthrough of that data. Here's a sample just taken from our, our main data set. So we'll have unique IDs for each product, URLs for where we're getting all the information from. That is the Flipkart URL. Then we got product name, categories. If the categories were not listed, we included, we made a category called other and we associated that. We have a price, images from Kaggle, and then descriptions, product ratings, and the brands. If the brands weren't included, we set them to a generic brand, and same with product ratings. If they weren't available, then we set it at a random product rating between 1 and 5. So let's go on to the next section of this, which is one of the most important, is the front end, back end integration. So we did actually, in fact, build the system to protect against SQL injection attacks, primarily because React has built-in properties to protect against this function. Then right now we have not developed use prepared statements. We decided to prioritize optimizing the database rather than focusing on the scalability at the moment, but in the future it's definitely something we want to look into. Same, right here we have a couple of the pages. Decided to present these as an example of the communication between the front end and the back end, which was a big component of this was through the user registration and the login process, and associating all the data for any user with that the information that they input in our user database. So we did experience some challenges as a team. One major component was the Flask React development combo. It's a little bit confusing, a little bit more difficult than we would have expected, and we probably should have gone with a Flask HTML development combo. One of the major issues with this is that the resources were a little bit limited on what we could have access to. But we definitely learned a lot through the process and the struggles involved with this. In addition to that, this semester brought a lot of challenges regarding working remotely. We had to learn how to communicate with one another, considering we were in complete different sides of the world, and we had almost perfectly opposite time zones, which led for a lot of communication issues and delays, which definitely hindered some of our ability to make the product as optimal as it could be. We do have future plans though. In 2020, we're planning on deploying, which we are. Then we are planning on setting up by next year. We want to have warehouses all over the United States where we can control the supply chain and begin to deploy, ship the items out to have as quick as possible shipping. 2022, we want to grow this business to have our own brand. By 2023, we want complete control of the supply chain, and we want to be able to show products or sell products all over the world and have them shipped within a day. So with this product though, the options are endless. These are just the beginning of what we can do and what the potential is of the product. We're looking towards all kinds of different ventures, including using our logistics platform to sell more products and developing other platforms similar to how Amazon does today. Anyways, thank you so much for listening to our presentation. I hope you enjoy our product and feel free to use it anytime. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.